सो जय हिंद दोस्तों, कैसे आप सब। टॉपिक फॉर टुडे इज इंट्रिंसिक मसल्स ऑफ द टंग। बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आई विल टेल यू द ब्रीफ ओवरव्यू ऑफ द टंग. Tongue is a solid and mobile muscular organ covered by the mucous membrane. It can assume various shapes and position. It helps in the function of deglutition, taste and the mastication. Clear? Then after the parts of the tongue. Anterior 2/3 of the tongue lies in the oral cavity. So it is known as the oral part. Partial 1/3 of the tongue lies in the oropharynx. So that is called pharyngeal part. Now the features: tongue has the tip or apex, base, root and the body. Clear? Now coming to the surfaces, the tongue has a dorsal surface and the ventral surface and the two lateral margins. Clear? Now coming to the intrinsic muscles of the tongue. The tongue is mainly made up of the muscles. In this video I will discuss about the intrinsic muscles of the tongue. On the next video I will discuss about the extrinsic muscles of the tongue. So intrinsic muscles, the main function of the intrinsic muscles of the tongue are that they changes the shape of the tongue, they helps in the deglutition and the articulation. Clear? The intrinsic muscles of the tongue comprises of 4 pairs of muscles. That is, you can remember it by the mnemonic SIT V, where S stands for superior longitudinal muscle, I stands for inferior longitudinal muscle, T stands for transverse muscle and the V stands for vertical muscle. Now coming to the each muscle. Superior longitudinal muscle lies beneath the mucous membrane of the dorsal surface of the tongue, whereas inferior longitudinal muscle lies beneath the mucous membrane of the inferior surface of the tongue, and the transverse muscles arises from the median fibrous septum of the tongue, whereas vertical muscles arises from the lamina propria of the dorsal surface of the tongue. Clear? Now coming to the action of these muscles. The main action of these muscles, the superior and the inferior, I have made the mnemonics for that also. The superior and the inferior helps in, like, they shortens the length of the tongue, whereas the transverse and the vertical muscles increases the length and the width of the tongue. So this is all about the intrinsic muscles of the tongue. 4 pairs of muscle. This is the mnemonics. Then comes the action. If you want a screenshot, you can take it. So it's a really very beautiful diagram. Though on the next video I will put on the extrinsic muscles of the tongue. Clear? If you have any doubt, you can come write it on the comment section. I will definitely give you the answer, and don't hesitate. सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. So take care. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Do like, subscribe and comment.